Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a DIY protein hair mask. So basically what I did was, I did some research, obviously, and there are a lot of hair masks that you can do, and there are a lot to choose from. So I just did, right now I'm just going to do a simple one, and later on I'll try some other ones. But for today's video, I'm going to be doing a egg and mayonnaise and olive oil protein hair mask, and I want to see how it turns out. I thought I'd film it. So let's get into this. Let's put this gooey stuff on my hair, y'all. So basically it looks like this right now. It's pretty disgusting. So I'm just gonna put this on my hair and I'll be back with the results of what it looks like on my hair, guys. So this is how it's going. It smells like mayonnaise. It's super disgusting. Ugh.
To be young and in love in New York City. Do not know who I am, but still know that I'm good long as you're here with me. To be drunk and in love in New York City.
Okay, so now I'm just gonna put it in this. And I'm just gonna leave it like this for about 30 to 40 minutes, and I'll see what happens to my hair afterwards. I'll wash it off with conditioner, the brands that I used, not Jim Naturals, and I'll see what happens to my hair, if this helps with my hair. Apparently protein is supposed to help with hair growth and just shinier hair and more volume and bouncier curls, so I'm gonna see if this works for my hair. And I'll be what was that? I'll be back with the results, and after I rinse it out, or before I rinse it out, I'll rinse it out, and then I'll show you what it looks like, and then I'll dry it, and we'll see. So I'll be back. Also, if you haven't already, subscribe for more videos like this on hair care and skincare and other cares. Care Bears. I post a video every Tuesday and Friday. I was gonna say Wednesday, but that makes sense. Tuesday and Friday. So if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed already, subscribe for more videos. And yes, I'll be back with the results in a few minutes. Bye. Okay, so it's been about 35 minutes or so. So I'm gonna rinse it out now, and we'll see what it does. It smells like mayonnaise, so. Okay, so I rinsed it out, but it smells like mayonnaise and a little bit of egg and some olive oil in there. So I'm gonna be conditioning it with not Jim Naturals. I'm just gonna get that smell away, and I'll be back when it's done conditioning. Yay. Okay, so I rinsed and I conditioned with Not Jim Naturals. I'll be linking the brand, the Not Jim Naturals, in the description below if you want to check these out. They're really good. So now I'm just gonna do my tips, and I'm going to do my scrunching routine and all that. So I'm going to just use this. I'll be linking this one in the description down below too. And I'll be back when my hair is done, when I'm done with that. Okay, so I've done my normal wash routine, and I'm just going to leave it like this until it's dry, or sort of dry, about 20%, 80% dry. And I'm just going to leave it like this. What I've noticed already is that my hair feels more moisturized and fuller. I don't know if that makes sense, so I'm gonna see how it turns out when it's dry. I'll put in all the links. I'll put all the stuff I did and I will put the products that I used and the ingredients that I used to make this DIY protein hair mask in the description below if you want to try it out. I'm just gonna leave it like this, and I'll be back with the results when it's done drying. So yeah, thanks for watching me put goop on my hair. I mean, it was interesting. It smelled like mayonnaise for a while there, but I got rid of the smell with the conditioner, so that's good. I'll be back with the results in a few minutes. These are the results of my protein treatment wash, and I'm liking it. It's not completely dry, it's about 20%, almost dry, about 80% dry. So it is a little bit. So I'm definitely going to do more of these protein DIY, try some other ones out. I'm thinking I'll be doing it every 2 weeks or 3 weeks or so. Definitely see the difference in my hair. If you look in the beginning when I started this video, you can see the difference in the curls and the shininess and the healthiness, and it's all great. And I changed my shirt. I can just change my shirts like this. 2 weeks or 3 weeks or so. So if you want to try this, I'll be putting it in the link down below, what I used to do this. I'm pretty happy with the results. So yeah. Thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. I post a video every Tuesday and Friday, and I'll put all the products I used in the description down below. And if you want to know what I did to my hair afterwards, I finger coiled, and my whole other hair routine after I did the protein wash or the protein thingy. After that, I'll put in the video. I'll put at the end of the video and in the link down below my previous videos if you want to go watch those. And I hope this video is helpful, and my other videos are helpful. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and see you soon. Fun fact: I was in my PJs for the first half of this video, so. Another fun fact is that when I rinsed out my hair, there were some egg pieces, because I think the egg actually boiled out.